Yeah. Let's go!
And here we go. Hey, one thing, real easy today to get this win. Be the Saints.
Yep.
Just be the Saints.
Yep.
Play with our edge.
Yep.
Show how hungry we are to get this win. This team hadn't lost a game at home. That changes today.
Yep.
Hey, every season is full of defining moments. Let's make this day a defining moment for us in our quest. Let's go, baby. 1, 2, 3, win.
Hey, he averaging 20 a carry, though. He's getting busy.
Bootleg to the right, and Prescott pumps. He dives for the goal line. Touchdown.
Bro, need some oxygen? You need some water?
I do that. I need some water too. Appreciate you, baby. Hey, you guys are doing a hell of a job with the rush plan. Keep it up. Keep it up.
All right, let's tee off on them now, huh? Here we go. Let's go. There is no more aggressive play in football than 95, right? Let's set our angles and run them over. Let's go.
We gotta take this over. You got it? Let's get our ass going.
There we go.
I want all the tackles. I want all the tackles.
That boy got the juice, man.
I want all the tackles.
Let me get that red. What you got? I got the white. No, you not. No, you not.
You already know we finna. Yeah. Shout out to Airheads, baby. That's how we do it. Hey, I'm Airhead.
You got me. Yeah. You got me.
Nah, that wasn't me. That definitely wasn't me. Smell like onions and ketchup. Nah, that wasn't me. Mine is vegan, baby. Plant-based.
We turn it up a little bit.
You need even more. You want it even more?
More.
Right? It doesn't feel that hot to me. You think it is? I mean, I'm chilly. That's the thing. I got you.
It's a fake punt. They snap it to Corey Grant. Corey's got the first down and more. You've got to be kidding me.
Breeze rolls to his left, staying alive, looking into the end zone, all the way to the side, and it's going to be Breeze to the pylon and in.
Where was your dance, man? 7-yard run too. Career high. Career high right here. 7-yard run.
It took like 18 seconds.
Mariota looking, firing to Murray at the 3. Murray dives. Touchdown, Titans.
That's why he did a Hawaiian assassin.
You the baddest. You the baddest. Love you. I know that. Brady drops back, looks to his left, throws over the middle, catch by Burkhead to the 5. Touchdown, Patriots! Great play. Way to go, fellas!
Who that said they gonna beat them Saints? Who that? But how about the A?
I'll say this. I love this team. I mean, I do.